Today we're going to set up scroll depth tracking on our website using Google Tag Manager. So we're going to first go over to variables and we're going to set up the scroll depth threshold. So we're going to click up on configure and scroll down to scrolling and check scroll depth threshold. We're going to go back over to tags and we're going to create a new tag. So we're going to name it scroll depth. Go to the tag configuration and select Google Analytics Universal. And we're going to set the type tracking to event. And we're going to name the category scroll. Next is action, and we're going to hit scroll depth threshold, which we just created in the variable section. And then we're going to go down to non-interaction hit, and we're going to set that to true, otherwise it would count against our bounce rate. Next, we're going to select the Google Analytics account that we want it to be pushed to. Under the advanced settings, we're not going to touch any of that. We're going to go down to triggering and add a new trigger and label that scroll depth. We're going to click on the trigger configuration, and we're going to scroll down to scroll depth. We're going to click variable scroll depth and we're going to put our percentages that we want to be tracked. So in my case, I want to track 10%, 25, 50, 75, and 100% of the page scroll depth. So there's 5 configurations. These will show up as separate sections in Google Analytics. After this, we're going to hit save and we're going to publish it. To publish it, we're going to hit submit in the top right hand corner. I'm going to label this version scroll depth added because I'm adding the scroll depth. So if I go back, I know when I added what function, and now you're done. We can go out to the web page and view that it's actually working. We're going to go to preview, which is next to the submit button in the top right hand corner. It's going to come back with this orange box that says you're now previewing. You can go out to your website and a box at the very bottom will be showing what tags I have fired or have been activated on this particular page. In my case, all 5 of my tags have been activated. If you look under scroll depth, as I scroll down this page, you'll see the fires is how many times it's fired. So once I scroll all the way down, you'll see that I fired 5 times. So if we go over to Google Analytics and go to events, we go to overview, and then I got to select the date today because I just put this on. I can go back over to category and see the scroll is there, and then go to action and I can see my actions, how many times I hit 10%, 100%, 25, 50, and 75% of the page. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a nice big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to know what you're going to use this information for, and see you in the next one.